Hi, my name is Guy. I'm here to show you how to make a kite. You can either hang it by your window or your door. Okay? First you need paper. A kite looks like a triangle, but it's a funny looking shape. So the top part is wider, and at the bottom it becomes narrow. Grab a ruler and a pencil, and I'm going to draw. I'm sorry it's not perfect, but that's okay. And then it becomes narrow at the bottom. They're all straight lines. What you need to use the cut. But make sure you have your mom and your dad and somebody to help you with the scissors. And then we cut it. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Now, what we're going to do, you have many different options. You can do watercolor painting. You can do crayon. Or do you use markers? Today, I think I'm going to paint. I like to paint. So, make sure you have newspaper at the table. Or you do have a tray. That's fine to use too. Okay? And then I have a water in a bowl and a paintbrush. You can make any kind of design. You can slather paint on it, whatever you want. Today I think I'm just going to smear it all over. I'm just making the paint wet, so it'll be easy to get the paint. Okay, alright, here I go. I'm just going to slather paint, and then I'll do orange, yellow, and green, blue, purple. If I want to add more color, you can do whatever you want. You can be creative. You can even make circles, squares, triangles. I can make a circle here, an orange circle, a red square, a star, a blue star. It could be anything you want. And that's what my painting looks like. And then I'll move it over there to get it off in a few minutes. And then you have to have bows for the tail of the kite. Bows look like two triangles together. That's what they look like. I made 3 bows. And again, I'm going to paint them. Again, I'm just going to make different colors. And then orange paint. The colors are so pretty, okay? I love the paint. Okay, and then I have green. Again, you can do whatever you want with it. You don't have to paint if you don't want to. Okay, now the bow balloon. Have to wait for it to dry. Okay. Now we have the kite. It's almost dry. Okay. I forgot one thing. I have to get a hole punch. Here's the hole punch. You punch a hole at the bottom. Okay? And then you have yarn. It can't be straight too. I just happen to have yarn. I picked yellow. And what you do is you tie the yarn to the hole. And you tie it to the kite, I'm sorry. There. Okay? Now how are you going to get the bow onto him? Huh? You have to tie the bow. Oops. Tie it like that. Then you get another bow. And you tie it again. But you leave a space between the two bows. And then the last bow. And there, you have a finished product. There we go. And then if you want to hang it, you can punch a hole at the top and make a yarn, and then you can hang it on your window or your glass door. Isn't that cool? Okay? Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.